Hey, hope you are doing good. I welcome back you to my video series. My name is Ashutosh and I'm a full stack developer in multiple technologies. Kindly visit my blog freshersliveworld.com for more stuff like Java, J2EE, Maven, Spring Boot, Angular, DevOps, PHP, Ionic mobile apps in Android and iOS, Restful web services, microservices, Selenium, Appium, final year projects and many more. Today in this video we are going to see how to install XAMPP on Windows machine. Let's go to google.com and type XAMPP, XAMPP. Just hit enter. You will find very first XAMPP download page to download the XAMPP. Click the same link and you will be navigated to the page of Apache friend where you can download the XAMPP for Windows. Let's select the very latest version of the PHP and click on the download link. Once you click on the download link, it will start downloading the XAMPP for Windows. Here it is now downloading the XAMPP for Windows. As you can see here, I have already downloaded the XAMPP for Windows. So I will just cancel this and we will start installing the XAMPP. I'm going to download and I can see the XAMPP here which is already downloaded. Just double click this file in order to download the XAMPP, install the XAMPP. Very first screen which you can see is, do you want to allow app to make changes to your device for XAMPP? Just click yes. Once you click yes, it will pop up with the very first installation window for the XAMPP. If any antivirus is running, it will tell you in that case it may slow down the installation of the software. Just click yes to begin the installation. Click OK to begin the installation. This is the very first screen where you can see it will start installing the XAMPP. Just click next. By default all the components will be selected. Just you have to click next. Now where do you want to install the XAMPP? So by default it's a C:XAMPP and I would like to install the XAMPP at C: only, so I will just click next. Now it will start installing the XAMPP once you click next. It will open the Vietnamese website who have developed the XAMPP, so just close that and just click again next, as the XAMPP is already ready to install. Now in this screen you can see it will be unpacking the files and install all the files on the location where we have chosen, which is c:/XAMPP. Once the installation is done, you will able to see on the c:/XAMPP there will be multiple folders which are available, like Apache, where the Apache will be installed, and inside the Apache there will be a htdocs folder where you will do the PHP development. So whatever the websites you are going to develop, you are going to paste, or you are going to keep the code of the PHP websites in the htdocs folder inside the c:/XAMPP Apache. So let's go to c:/XAMPP folder. So here you can see there are multiple files which are getting installed. So if you see, as I have told you, there is a htdocs folder here which will contain the development code specifically for PHP. So here it is still installing the XAMPP. It has created so many of uh, folders for the installation. So you can see a MySQL installations as well. So here is the MySQL installation, which is a MariaDB. So this is like the MySQL installation. This is the Perl installation, as XAMPP stands for a cross-platform package for installing Apache, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. So you can see Apache, which is htdocs or Apache folder here, which is the Apache server, the htdocs where your code will be there, the MySQL where the MySQL server will be there, the Perl where the Perl is installed, and then the PHP where your PHP will be installed. Then inside the phpMyAdmin you will have an application which will help you to design and develop your database. So we have almost finished with the unpacking of the files, which directly means the installation, and there will be some kind of file changes on the Windows drive, as well as the system files, as well as the C:/. So now the XAMPP is almost ready. The installation is almost done and it is ready to use. It also installs the Tomcat, which is the a simple container for GSPs and servlet. So this is the Tomcat also getting installed with the Apache XAMPP. So it's creating the uninstaller. If you want to have if you want to go ahead and further uninstall the XAMPP software, it is creating the uninstaller. So we are almost finished with the XAMPP installation. So it is asking you, do you want to start the cPanel? Just click yes, just click the checkbox and click finish. So it will start the cPanel. So for the cPanel, it will first ask you what the language you want to choose. So I'm going for English. So I'm just clicking save here. And now it will start the XAMPP control panel for the Apache, PHP, MySQL and Perl. So if you don't see anything right now, you can go on the taskbar. There you can see a XAMPP icon, and here in the XAMPP icon you can see the show hide control panel, or you can from here also you can start Apache, you can start MySQL, FileZilla specifically for FTP, Mercury and Tomcat as well. Tomcat is specifically the JSP servlet container, or you can go through this and the control panel, and there you can start the Apache, start the MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury or Tomcat. So let's start the Apache. So just click here for starting the Apache. If the folder 80 is already in use, then you may face some problems while starting the Apache server, because Apache by default uses the port number 80. While if you want to use MySQL, there is port number 3306 which needs to be open. If it's already in use, then MySQL also will not start. So let's start MySQL. Now you can see a green kind of background color to MySQL, which shows that the MySQL is started on the 3306 and its process ID is 4604. Similarly, click on Start Apache. It will show, previously it is showing yellow and now it is showing green. That means it was starting and now it has already started, and the process IDs are two process IDs here. Also the port number is 80 it is using, and also 443 port number it is using. Now let's check whether the Apache localhost is started or not. So let's go to the Chrome again and just type localhost and just hit enter. Now you can see the localhost is already started and it will show you the slash dashboard. So from where this slash dashboard is coming, as I have told you, the application where we have installed or what are the PHP applications, they are going to reside inside the htdocs. So if you go inside the htdocs in the index PHP, it will by default will be redirected to this dashboard folder. And if you go inside the dashboard folder, this is the index file and all the related files for that dashboard app, and here you can see it's localhost slash dashboard. So the dashboard is started. Similarly, if you want to check whether the MySQL is up and running, just go to localhost slash php my admin, that is php myadmin, and hit enter. So here the dashboard, the PHP is the application, the PHP application, the Apache server with the PHP and MySQL is up and running. Similarly, you can go to this localhost dashboard, which means the Apache server is up and running. Similarly, as you can see, localhost php myadmin, MySQL server is up and also it's running. So I can see what are the databases that are there which in the current MySQL which we have installed in this XAMPP. So you can see in the MySQL DB there are multiple tables, and the MySQL is up and running. So in this way we have installed the XAMPP for Windows, and now you can program in PHP and MySQL using XAMPP on Windows machine. Thanks for watching this video.